All right, we are going to open up the mini brand mini minis. Fill the fridge, and there's the refrigerator. We're going to open this up. I'm going to pause and I'm going to be right back. But please, please, please don't forget to subscribe, watch my video, follow me, please. Don't forget. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, you guys. Open up Miniverse and Mini Brands. Here is the magnet. It's a pretzel. It's a pretzel. All right. We're going to open up the smallest one. This looks like it's the smallest one. We have a repeat. We have a repeat. That is a repeat. I already have this one, of course, the drink. Oh, we have the steak, lamb. We have the lamb chop. We got the lamb chop. It's so, I absolutely love this. Hold on. We have, I think this is like honey. This is like honey, right? This is honey. Okay. Oh, we have the shredded hash browns. The shredded hash brown. And guess what? In some mini balls, we get an extra one. A rare. I think this is like a rare one. But hold on, let me pause and look at the list. I forgot to show you guys this too. This can come in there. We can make these. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. Ooh, we got Baskin Robin ice cream. I think this is like chocolate chip. Yep, this is chocolate chip cookies. Not chocolate chip. This is cookie one. But yeah, this is cookie one, y'all. And we have Panda Express Chinese chicken. Chinese chicken. So let's open up let's open up the red one. Let's see what we got. I'm so excited for this one. We have the Hershey, and this is way more smaller than the original one that comes in a mini brand. Then we have the Hershey syrup. And this is what we have. This is what we have. All right, we're going to put everything in the refrigerator, and I'll be right back and show you the end. All right, everything is in the refrigerator. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day, and I will see you guys in the next video.